It was good, y'all. So this gonna be a first impression slash out the box review. Got a Mr. Heater portable buddy heater. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty much good for camping. A good backup emergency heat use. So runs on propane. We're gonna go over a couple of the these features right here, heater features. Got a low and high setting, 4,000 BTUs and 9,000 BTUs. He's up to 225 square foot. 5.4 hours on low, 2.4 hours on high. And the safety features, this is safe to use indoors. Low oxygen, safety shut off. So I guess if it's like in an enclosed room and this oxygen goes below a certain level, it'll shut off. Tip over, safety shut off. So if it gets tipped over, it shuts off, and a thermal shut off. So yeah, I'm pretty much well, it got some more features on the back. Yeah, so these it runs off. It fits the 1 pound propane tanks fit nicely in here. That's what these are made for. But also down here in this section, it pretty much tells you the recommended hoses and stuff like that you can use you can use a larger size propane tank with it. But that's some of the basic stuff, you know what I'm saying? I got this as a, like I said, emergency backup heat. I do the camping and all of that too, so that's good to have as a backup in case it in case you really need some heat. But go ahead and crack this open. You know what I'm saying? Open this box. When you get stuff like this, you want to open it up, test it out, use it one good time to make sure everything runs properly. So that's what I'm doing. It's new. I done had it for a couple months, but never used it. So time to crack that box open and make sure everything's working properly. And then I'll store this, out of the box. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Comes with just that, the unit, and I guess the manual right here. Operating instructions and owner's manual. So this is good to keep this in my drawer, my other manuals. Take a look at this, it's a good resource to have and keep, so make sure you keep this. But read a little bit of that, but I pretty much already know how this goes and works. So look at it a little bit, put my propane tank in, and give it a try. You know what I'm saying? Fire it up for the first time. Alright, y'all, so we in the den on a late night / early morning, you know what I'm saying? Get the buddy heater, finna fire it up, you know what I mean? Got some 1 pound propane tank, and I was just looking at this, checking it out, and I see on the very back of the heater, it has the lighting instructions and how to turn it off. So just so y'all know, it's right on the back. You don't necessarily gotta carry around the safety operation manual. Alright. Give me a second. I get this tank right. Okay. Just want to make sure this is linked out. I don't even got it. Tripping. There we go. Alright, and yeah, I already read the instructions. Hand tighten. There you go. Let it drop down into place. And this is the first time lighting it. Let's see how many times it take, or you know, whatever like that. So turn it from off to pilot. And I can smell gas. You know, I can smell this propane. There we go. Alright, now it says once it catches, you gotta hold it down for I think it said about 30 seconds. But yeah, it's lit. And so while we got this started, I had a little thermometer down here, 59 degrees. So starting off at 59. All right. Yeah. And it said put that on high until I guess this back part turns like orange or red. So again, just to show y'all, we're starting off at 59 degrees Fahrenheit. And nice and warm, you know what I'm saying? I can feel it. This will definitely keep you nice and toasty in an emergency. But I just want to stress, you know what I'm saying, if you've been collecting any type of gear, survival gear, anything like that, make sure you take it out the box and you know, test it out. Make sure it works properly. Make sure you don't need to buy any additional attachments or gadgets to go with it, or you know, maybe it's just it'll be worth it to buy some type of attachment that goes with it to make things easier for you. So think about that. But if nothing else, get it out the box and try it out. Make sure everything's good. So now I can see the back screen turning orange, heating up. Feels nice. It feels like it's like pushing, you know, it's pushing heat off. So the heat is coming off, coming towards me. Feels nice. Yeah, pretty much I'm gonna let this rock for a couple minutes. On high, I might turn it down somewhere, in between medium to low. And I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what it's talking about. Yeah. So I walked away for about I put it on like pretty much medium, right between low and high, for about, let's call it 3 minutes. Walked away. I put it right there. Walked away for about 3 minutes. Came back, put it on low. Walked away for about 3 more minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So now, this is what it's looking like. It's 72 degrees Fahrenheit over here in this little area. You know what I'm saying? I just got this sitting right here on this shelf right here. So 72 degrees now, and it was 59 less than 10 minutes ago. So it's warmed this area up, and like I said, right now it's on low, but it's still kicking off heat pretty good. So I like it. I'm happy with it. Of course, you want to check the safety features and everything. You want to make sure everything works correctly. So I'm gonna do this kick over shut off and make sure that works right. And it shut it off. So now I actually want to put it in the shut off and make sure it'll light up again good for me. Yep. It lights up again good for me. I might as well finish the step now that I done started it. And I'm gonna just cut it off the regular way this time. Or shut it off toward, tilt it toward the front side or something. But here we go. So yeah, unboxing, first impressions. I like it. It's something definitely good to have, you know what I'm saying, for camping trips as well as just general emergency use around the house. Or you could, like I said, this can be a emergency use around the house, or this can be an emergency use at the campsite, because that, if you're camping out, pretty much you're probably going to try to use wood first, build a campfire. If that's not working too well for you, or it gets too cold, or whatever the reason is, maybe you got to bring this out. You know what I'm saying? So I like it. I'm gonna keep good amount of these 1 pound tanks stocked up. I already got a good amount stocked up, ready to be used for this and other things. So 1 out of 10. First impression, first time, you know what I'm saying, turning it on, feeling the heat that it kicks off. I give it about an 8. You know what I'm saying? It seems very simple to use, so I'm rocking with it. If you appreciate the video, leave a like. Got any questions, anything like that, leave it below in the comment box. And that's pretty much it for this video. Peace out. I'll catch you next time. Squad. Man, I wanna see you great. I wanna see you elevate. I wanna see you in the clouds. I wanna see